Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you refer Remitly to a friend. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Remitly application at very first, and after opening the Remitly application, you just simply have to select this reward option at the bottom right side. Just simply tap that, and after that you will get the option of referrals and rewards into here. Now in order to refer Remitly to your friend, you just simply have to tap into this invite now button, and after doing this you can share your invite link by WhatsApp, email address, messages, and you can copy the referral link and send the QR code. Also just simply choose any of the option. For example, I'm selecting the Gmail option right here, and after selecting Gmail, this type of Gmail will be created. Now you just simply have to select any of the email address of receiver, such as I'm selecting this email address for now. Now just simply tap to send button, and this email will successfully be sent to your friend. And whenever your friend receives that email and joins the community of Remitly, you will receive some benefits into your Remitly. This way you can easily refer Remitly to your friend. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.